Rain feels ordinary. It falls. It wets the ground. Then life goes on. But what if rain is one of the most carefully planned journeys on earth? The Qur'an does not describe rain as random. It describes it as measured, guided, and purposeful. Today, let's help children see rain the way Allah describes it. When children see rain, they often think, the clouds just drop water. But rain begins long before the clouds. The sun heats water from oceans, rivers, lakes. This water rises into the sky as vapor. Children can imagine it like water becoming invisible and floating up. Science calls this evaporation. The Qur'an tells us Allah lifts water up, then sends it back down. Nothing is wasted. Nothing is rushed. Clouds are not soft cotton in the sky. They are heavy. They carry millions of tiny water droplets. Allah describes clouds being gathered, pushed, layered. Science confirms this. Winds move clouds. Clouds collide. Droplets grow heavier. Rain only falls when the balance is right. This teaches children something important. Even what looks random is controlled. If a child asks, "Why does it rain?" you can say, Allah sends rain to keep the earth alive. He decides when it falls, how much falls, and where it falls. Simple, clear, faith-centered. You don't need big scientific words. Children understand purpose before process. The Qur'an tells us rain is sent in due measure. Not too much, not too little. Science shows us what happens when this balance breaks. Floods, droughts, crop failure. This helps children learn balance matters. Excess can be harmful. Control is a mercy. Rain is not just water. It is provision. Rain does not fall because plants ask loudly. It falls because Allah knows when the time is right. Sometimes children feel they are waiting too long. Things are unfair. Answers are delayed. Rain teaches patience. Growth happens when conditions are right, not when we rush it. Science explains evaporation, condensation, precipitation. The Qur'an explains wisdom, control, mercy. Science shows the steps. The Qur'an shows the meaning. Together, they teach children that learning science does not weaken belief. Understanding creation increases awe. Knowledge leads to gratitude. The next time rain falls, pause. Tell your child, this is not just water. This is mercy traveling from the sky to the earth. When children learn to see rain this way, nature feels meaningful. Faith feels real. Allah feels near. At i-eSchool, we teach children to learn with curiosity and believe with understanding. Watch this again with your child. Some lessons grow deeper when shared.